Question 12. If the area of triangle ABD is 12 square units, so that means I'm looking here, A, B, D. So that triangle right there is 12 square units. If that triangle is 12, that means that that triangle is 12. So 12 plus 12 equals 24 square units. Question 13. The net of a square pyramid is shown below. Find the surface area. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at it. I'm going to write down my formulas. So the triangular parts, I'm going to do base times height divided by 2. And the center part, I'm going to do base times height. So base times height. When I look at that, I see that the base is 10. The height is 12 divided by 2. 10 times 12 is 120. 120 divided by 2 is 60. So this part is 60. This part is 60. This part is 60. And this part is 60. Now we need to go to the center. The center is right here. The base is 10. The height is 10 because it's a square pyramid. So I remember 10 times 10, that's 100. So I've got 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. That's 240. 240 plus 100 is 340 square centimeters. Okay, number 14. What three-dimensional figure can be created? So three-dimensional figures. A cube is a three-dimensional pyramid figure. A pyramid is a three-dimensional figure. A prism is a three-dimensional figure. A triangle is not a three-dimensional figure, so I do not include that one. So now I look at it, a cube. Well, a cube's got square sides, so no. A pyramid has triangular sides. Prism has square rectangular sides, so it is a pyramid. Next one, the net of a cube with 7 millimeter sides is shown below. What is the surface area of the cube? So if I have a cube, it's going to look like this, and each side is going to be 7. So that means that this is 7 times 7, or 49. This is 49. This is 49. This is 49. This is 49, and this is 49 because it's a cube. So I'm going to do 49 times 6, which is 294 square millimeters. Next one, surface area of a triangular prism. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the base, which is a triangle, and I'm going to draw that. Okay, so it's a right triangle like this. Like that. My base is 6, my base is 10, my height is 24. And then this distance over here is 26. So that's the front of my triangle right there. To get from the front to the back, it's 6. So that's 6, that's 6, that's 6, and then we have another triangle down here. So if I do this side right here, it's 10 times 6, and 10 times 6 is 60. And then this side over here is 26 times 6, so 156. And then over here, we've got 24 times 6, 144. Okay, so I've got 144 plus 156 plus 60. Then I've got this triangle here. The base of the triangle is, the height of the triangle is 10. Base of the triangle is 24. So 10 times 24 divided by 2 is 240 divided by 2, so that's 120. And then we've got the back down here. This is also 120. So 120. So that's 10. and 5 and 5 are 10, and 10 more is 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 600 square meters. Okay, next one, a triangular prism. So my base is 12, and then the sides are each 10. So this is 10 by 27, this is 10 by 27, this is 12 by 27. So 10 times 27 is 270. 10 times 27 is 270. 12 times 27 is 324. And then I go down here to my triangle. It is 8 times 12 divided by 2. So 8 times 12 is 96. 96 divided by 2 is 48. And then I have my other triangle that is 48. So now I add it all up, and it equals up to be 960 square units. Okay, number 18. This part here is 14 times 5, which is 70. So that means that this is 70. Over here, this is 5 by 8, so that's 40, which means that this is 40. And then this is 14 by 8, which is 112. Okay, so 112 and 112. So I've got 70 plus 40 plus 70 plus 40 plus 112 plus 112. And that all together equals 444 square units. All right, next one, we're going to fold this up. And so when I fold it up, I look at it and I see that there are 2 triangles here, and these sides are all rectangles. So the only shape that is made from triangles and rectangles is some kind of a prism. So it is a triangular prism. And then the final question. The final question says, Mia made a pencil box in the shape of a right rectangular prism. So if I look at this front bit here, it measures 7 by 20, which is 140. And so the back also is 140. If I look here at the top, this is 6 by 20, which is 120, which means the bottom is 6 by 20, or 120. And then I look at this end bit, and that's 7, and that's 6. So the side is 7 times 6, or 42. And then the other side is 7 by 6, or 42. So when I put it all together, that's 884 square centimeters.